Hey there, welcome back friends. Today we will try to understand how we can make decision under JSTL. Now friends, when it comes to JSTL, making decision is very simple and it is part of core tags. Now in order to save some time, I have already added this project and we also have this JSP file. So let's get started. So inside this body tag, we will make use of a core tag. The name of the core tag is if. And if I autocomplete, then this particular attribute would be automatically fetched because the test attribute is a mandate attribute. Alright, so in here what we will do is we will type in test, and inside this test we will make use of expression element, right? So here is the syntax of expression element, and inside this expression element you can make use of any implicit object, any logic, it's up to you. But in here we will make things very simple. We will type in param dot name equal to, for example, Chand. Now in this case, this particular test condition will return true if there is a parameter by the name of name and the value of the parameter is Chand. In that case, we will simply type in hello Chand, right? And after this condition making statement, let us add in a yet another message like hello user maybe. Alright, so this looks good to me. Let us quickly run this particular application. This will take some time, so let me pause this video for a minute. Alright, so here is the output. Perfect. Now definitely the output is hello user. The reason being this condition is false. There is no parameter by the name of name and the value is not Chand again. So in here we will add in a parameter on the URL. So we will type in name equals Chand and we will hit enter, and here is the output. Now friends, there is double output. Why? Because there is no specific condition on here, right? So we are able to see this output and this hello user output again. So we can definitely implement some business logic in order to perform the operation more efficiently. Now friends, the thing is in here this parameter is Chand, which is perfect, but if I play around with the case, then definitely the output will change a little. Why? Because this condition making is case sensitive. So again, take a note of it. Now friends, in here we have a core tag for if condition checking, which is cool, but we don't have a else part for it. So take a note of it. There is only if part when it comes to JSTL tags. Let me show you. In here, if I type in C:\else, there won't be any suggestions. There is no tag starts with E either. Alright, so there is no else part, and whenever you would like to make some decisions out of JSTL tags, the way is definitely making use of if tags. Alright, so in our next video we will again check a decision making mechanism which is similar to switch case. So that is again an interesting thing. Now friends, before ending this video, there is a word of caution. Whenever you are dealing with JSP servlet based application, try to implement the business logic in your servlet only, and try to avoid adding some business logic or some logical things on your view files. So that is always a good practice. Alright, so this is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.